Many were affected by the bus strike this Saturday afternoon in Trieste.
So this affects me in a bad way, unfortunately, because I have to start to work like at 6 p.m. and I have to take the bus right now for be at work at the right time. This affects me really in a bad way.
We don't know the strike today.
You know that there's a strike of the buses today in Trieste?
No, I didn't really know, but it doesn't really affect me. So, I'm trying to go to my place. Let's hope that there is the bus.
And are you from Trieste?
Yeah, I'm a student. I'm studying here, and I'm living here in Trieste.
And where do you usually can find out if there's a strike of the buses?
I think on the net.
I'm tourist. I'm from Bosnia and Herzegovina. I didn't know the buses aren't going, so we just walked from point A to point B.
So